What is the robot-as-a-service business model? Forget the massive upfront cost of buying industrial robots. The solution that's democratizing access to automation is the robot-as-a-service model, essentially the Netflix of robotics. Robot-as-a-service is a subscription or rental agreement that allows businesses to use advanced robotic technology without the need for direct purchase. Instead, you simply pay a periodic fee, monthly or per use, converting a large capital expenditure, which is the upfront cost of buying assets, into a manageable operating expense, a regular business cost. This means you no longer have to make that huge upfront investment. The package doesn't just include the robot, the provider takes care of everything, maintenance and repairs to ensure the robot is always operational, software and AI updates, and continuous support. The success of the robot-as-a-service model is based on its advantages. You have a low upfront cost, which removes the financial barrier. You get complete flexibility and scalability, allowing you to increase or decrease the number of robots as needed. And most importantly, you have zero technology risk. If the technology becomes obsolete, it's the provider's problem, not yours. This model has democratized access to advanced robotics, making logistics and warehouse automation accessible to businesses of any size. Companies like Locus Robotics, for example, provide autonomous mobile robots that work alongside human employees, which warehouses can subscribe to and scale instantly based on order volume, proving the model works.